Dr. Jhala. My lord, this is the post-mortem report of Pooja. While we were searching in our office, we found some of her belongings and we took them for lab for examination. They were examined by assistant medical examiner, which is Namita. I would like to call her to the witness box. Permission granted. So Namita, what did you find?
Oh my God, this is the same poison that Dr. Jhala found in Pooja's body.
So Namita, where is this chemical found?
This chemical is very rare and is found only in one shop.
Okay. Thank you, Namita. Now you can go. My lord, Detective Anand, who has been working on this case, visited this particular shop. So, I would like to call Anand to the witness box. Permission granted. So, Anand, would you throw some light on this visit to the shop?
When I went to this chemical shop, I found out that only two people were working chemicals. One of them was Miss Anshi Chopra, Mohan Chopra's eldest daughter.
My lord, this is the bill received of that shop, which proves that Anshi bought this chemical. Thank you, Anand. Now, I would like to call Anshi Chopra to the witness box. Permission granted. So Anshi, why did you buy that chemical?
No, I didn't purchase that chemical. Maybe Uncle Rishinath used my name to buy that chemical.
Oh, you are suggesting that the shopkeeper could even differentiate between two genders. To be sure, we sent our artist there to make a sketch of you following the shopkeeper's descriptions. And isn't that you, Anshi? My lord, you can see to be sure. Thank you, Anshi. Now, I would like to call Anand again to the witness box. So, Anand, what did you do after this big, shocking discovery?
I went to Anshi's house and I searched her house and her laptop also. And to my surprise, I found some secret files with passcode lock. And since my assistant knew how to break those locks, I found out that inside those files, there was a will. And I found another will also with some changes. The first one and the real one, it said that the property of Mohan Chopra went to Anshi, Bhavya and Rishinath. But the second one said all the property went to Anshi.
The original will and the one with changes. You see, my lord, Anshi was not satisfied with her part in will. So, as she had hacking training a couple of years ago from a beloved uncle Rishinath, she hacked Pooja's files which had the will, and she tampered with the will. And when Pooja came to know about this, she filed an FIR report. And after that, she realized that it was Anshi who did it all. Anshi had a meeting with Pooja, assuring her that she would return it, and in between that meeting, she poisoned her phone, as she knew that Pooja had constant habit of texting. And within 12 hours, the poison spread in her body, and she died. Unfortunately, Rishinath happened to be the last person to meet Pooja. As Rishinath took the back exit, there is no record of him leaving. That's all I had to prove, my lord.
My lord, I have nothing to say against any of the facts. Keeping all the evidences and eyewitnesses in mind, Anshi Chopra is found guilty of murder of Miss Pooja, and the court sentences Miss Anshi to rigorous life imprisonment. The release of Mr. Rishnath for not finding him guilty for the murder of Miss Pooja. The court is adjourned.
फंसाया गया उस तरह आपको भी फंसाया जा सकता है। इसलिए हमारा कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन हमें यह हक देता है कि हम इंस्पेक्टर को पूछ सकें कि हमें क्यों गिरफ्तार किया जा रहा है। You have the right to be defended by a legal practitioner of your choice. You also have the right to be produced before magistrate within 24 hours of arrest. The police is responsible for preventing crime, investigating crime, and upholding the law.
So, what is our next step? Okay, फिर से कर दो। क्या था डायलॉग?
उसका जो मुंह था ना वो मतलब काफी बड़ा था।
मुंह नहीं, लिप्स होते हैं वो।
Why don't we discuss this over a cup of tea? अरे यार Miss Todiwala, I am honored to meet you.
यार तुम लोग यार मेरे डायलॉग था यार बिल्कुल
डायलॉग के लिए झगड़ रहे तू।
So Mr. Rishinath, I'd like to know what you spoke to.
So Namita, where is this chemical found?
This chemical is very rare and is found only in one shop.
Okay. Thank you, Namita. Now you can go. My lord, Detective Anand, who has been working on...
No!